What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we are here at a Walmart taking a look to see what's here. So we have the main lines here. They look pretty much all picked through, so I'm not even gonna attempt. But I came over here and saw this Matchbox 5-pack set, and this looks pretty sweet. Really like that. That's really awesome. Love this Audi R8 right here. 5 spokes with the silver striping around it. Doesn't look terrible. I like it. We're gonna see if we can grab that. Ooh. GT63. That is sick. We're gonna pick that up too. And while we're here, let's check what else I have there. M2. It's kind of sick. Oh. Police Gallardo. It's kind of tight. Sweet. And it's kind of cool. I think that's it for here. And then they also have these on the side. It's a Jag. Oh, no way. Forza set? Yo. I wonder if the rest of them are in here. I'm gonna go back there. I wonder if the Forza set would be in here. That'd be so sick if it were. Alright, so I just looked through all of that and this, and I'm just gonna toss through all these to see if we can find some more of those Forza cars. There's none in here, so yeah, I don't think that there's any in there, so that stinks, man. That would have been so tight to get. Okay, well, let's see if there's anything else here. Nothing. All right, well, we found some really awesome Matchbox. And that was the winner today. So we got the Mercedes AMG GT and the Lamborghini Gallardo police car. Found this awesome 5-pack. I think we're gonna probably leave this behind though. It's super sick though. So we're gonna put that back right up there. And we have this awesome 911. So we're gonna run home. We're gonna get these unboxed. All right, guys, so we just got back to my house and here we are with the 3 cars that I got. So let's quickly take a look at them and get them unboxed. So the first car we have is the Porsche 911 GT2, part of the Forza Horizon 4 set. We also have the Mercedes AMG GT63S and the Lamborghini Gallardo Police Edition. All right, so we're gonna start out with this Porsche 911 GT2. Up next, we have the Mercedes AMG. And our last car, the Lamborghini Gallardo. guys, so these were the 3 cars that we got today. The Gallardo AMG GT63 and the Porsche GT2 911. Personally, my favorite has to be this AMG GT63. I love the car. It's such a classy Mercedes and it just looks great. They all look great in the end. And let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.